Hi guys, it's Chanel. Welcome to the Herbs and Oils Hair Care community where I'll be teaching you today how to use our famous hair tonic, which of course can be used for detangling, hydration, moisture, hair growth, and stimulation. I'm going to show you how to use it on a wash and go because it's quick and easy. It literally takes minutes and really all you need is just a few sprays and you can go. So my hair is parted into a section. I normally part it into small sections, but this one is a really small one. And anytime I take out the twist or the braid, and even when I'm applying the product, I normally finger comb it so that the entire part and piece of my hair that I portioned out gets use of the product. So this is the hair tonic, as you guys can see. I've had the bottle since January, and literally it's not even halfway done yet. So I just apply that and spray it on the section. Don't be afraid to use it because it will last long, and it literally does hydrate your scalp. And once I do that, you want to make sure you use it enough to the point where your hair is wet or either soaked, because that's when your wash and goes last more. I'm also going to pair it with a little gel. For me, I always use a gel, a curling cream, or a mousse, something to set my curls in because my hair can get dry really fast. I just rub it in my hands and apply it to the section, and again, finger comb it through. And as you can see, my curls are definitely defined. These are my natural curls. My hair hasn't been rolled or anything. It's just washed. So I apply it to the section, of course. And then once I do that, I like to apply a little heat, just really, really quick, just so that when I'm picking my hair and I'm doing my style, it'll be a little dry. You don't want your hair to drip while you're interacting, of course. Because remember, the style is quick and easy, and you can do it on the go and literally leave after this. So I'll apply just heat for a few seconds. And again, like I said before, the heat is just a few seconds. It's not a requirement. You don't have to do it. I choose to do it because it helps my wash and goes last longer. So, and then right after that, one of the best things you could ever invest in is a hair pick. It can be any size, of course. Mine is really small. But no matter the size of the pick, it'll do justice. And I just kind of pick my hair out everywhere because I want my hair as big as possible. I love curls. I love afros. I love big hair. So I do that. And even then, sometimes if I have to manipulate the curls and still kind of bring them down and finger comb it a little more, I will. And as you can see, again, this is all hair tonic and gel, and these are my natural curls. So once it dries and it sets, my hair will look just like this, and I just pick it and go. So like I said, the hair tonic is great for hydration and moisture, great for styling. Also, never forget that you can use it for braid outs, twist outs, even if you're going to do a flexi or a perm rod set. Please make sure you like, comment, and share, and subscribe. If you have any other questions, reach out to us at the Herbs and Oils Hair Care community, and I promise we can help you. But this product will definitely be worth your while. Thank you guys for watching.